Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing a completely different kind of video. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I figured, you know what, right now is probably the perfect time, something to like entertain you guys, entertain myself, and I don't know, I just thought it would be fun, even though I could end up totally like botching my hair. But we are going to be putting in our own tape-in extensions. Now, I am no hair professional. I rarely ever even do my own hair. So this should be fun. I just really wanted to add length, and I thought it would be something fun, and I thought it would be fun to film for you guys, and it might be entertaining for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. Now, just for reference, I had no idea what I was doing, so I did see a couple of other girls' videos on this, so I'll go ahead. There's two that I really liked because there's two different techniques that I saw. So I'm gonna link them down below. If you guys dare, I'm not encouraging you guys to do this. I'm not recommending you guys to do this. But then again, nobody recommended it to me or encouraged me. Once I get an idea in my head, I'm gonna do it. Like, no one can stop me from doing it. So if you're like that, if you're like me, and no one's gonna stop you, then I do recommend just watch a couple videos, you know, just get a couple tips and see how they do it. Because some of these girls say that they've been doing this for a long time. So I guess that kind of made me feel more comfortable with it. So what I did first is I actually went ahead and I took a shower, I washed my hair, and I did not put any product in my hair. It was completely like just clean. It had no products in it. But then what I did is I blow dried it a little bit. So you guys are gonna see me do that right now. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let me show you the tape-in extensions that I bought, because again, it was completely random. And where do you get random stuff from? Amazon. Let me show you. All right, so here are the extensions that I bought on Amazon. They were super inexpensive. Kids are playing outside. But these are, it says Goo Goo, and I'll link them down below. Also, I believe they were 20 inches. And I did buy 2 packs because I have a lot of hair. And I just wanted to make sure that I was gonna have enough. It's really long. Really excited. And then, okay, so it comes with a little thank you note. That's cute. And little like hair care instructions. Nice. Instructions on how to wash your hair. Okay. Oh, how cute. They even sent little eyelashes. Those are really pretty. Ooh, these are super cute lashes. Like, they're super fluffy on the ends. You see that? Okay. So here we go. It's really not a lot of hair, but again, I have a lot of hair. I just really wanted a lot of length. So we definitely got some inches. It's so freaking soft. It feels so nice. And I like that the ends aren't like super stringy, right? So it's gonna look nice and healthy. But I'm just gonna leave this on actually, and I just thought I'm just gonna wash it before I take those off. They really smell like very chemical-y. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash these really quick. And again, I don't wanna wet this part. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash these. I'm just gonna wash them maybe to like this first bend. So I'll probably just wash them like up to here, keep all of this dry. I'm gonna let it air dry so that hopefully they'll be nice and dry by the end of the day. And I'm just gonna wash them here in the kitchen sink. I don't know if that's kind of weird, but that's just what we're gonna do right now. Okay, and here is our hair laid out. These are all 2 packs, and here are your individual wefts. Also, the white part right there, that's the tape. That's what you're going to remove, and this is how they look. One of the techniques, I think that's mainly how it's used, is you just sandwich both of them together. So you just put one piece, you lay your hair on it, and then you stick another piece on top, and again, just sandwich those 2 little wefts together. Now, there was another technique that I saw that I thought was really interesting and just kind of, I don't know, it really intrigued me, and I had a feeling it was going to be more comfortable because it looked like there was enough room where you can kind of like pull your fingers through it. So what they did, and I'm going to show you here, is the girl actually had one little weft, and then what she did is she would fold it in half so she could mark the middle of each weft, and then she would cut, not all the way through obviously because you don't want to make 2 wefts, but just enough to give it a little bend. So you cut down the middle, and then you're going to use that one little weft for a small piece of hair. Yeah, let me just show you guys exactly how I did it. Okay, so here I started at the bottom. I just created a small section and then grabbed a small piece or a thin piece of hair, laid one piece underneath, and then we're going to sandwich it. So in between both of those pieces, we have a nice thin section, and then apply some heat to really get that sealed, and then we just squeezed it. And you're just going to keep doing this throughout all your hair. And this method, I actually only did 2 sections, so you'll see me complete this section, and then we'll move on and divide another little section. All right, and this is our second method. So I'm just folding one weft in half, and that creates like a little dent, so I know exactly where to snip. We just snipped right down the middle, about halfway down. And then here I'm just grabbing a tiny little section of hair. You don't want too thick, you don't want too thin, and just applying the heat. So you do the same thing, you're gonna apply heat, and then we're just gonna do this over and over and over again until we don't have any hair left from our packages. So here you can see it a little closer. See how I just get a tiny little piece of hair and just really bring that little weft around. You close it off, apply heat, and then just give it a good squeeze. Now I would say put your straightener on high, just because when I did it on a lower setting, it didn't stick as well. I had to actually redo a few pieces, but when I applied a lot of heat, that really helped for it to stay secure. Okay, so I have 2 wefts left, and I'm going to put them in each corner because even with clip-ins, I always want to put a piece of hair in this bottom part just to help blend those little hairs from peeking through. So we're just going to put one in each corner, and yeah, that should help to hide those little pieces that like to sneak out. You guys, this is not a professional installation. This is for fun. I was able to get the extensions, so why not? Doesn't look too bad. At least I don't think it does. So obviously I've already styled them. Cons, things I liked, things I didn't. And yeah, I just wanted to go over that with you guys lastly, just to kind of recap things. So as you guys saw, I did those two techniques, right? I used the entire weft and I put those, and I put 2 layers down here. I'm gonna tell you guys that that was a lot harder, right? Because first of all, you can't see the back of your head. And I tried doing the whole 2 mirror things, but then recording, it was a little difficult. So those pieces, those larger pieces, they're just not as comfortable, and they were definitely not as easy to install. Now, I have to say that the other method was a lot easier. And once I got the hang of doing that method of just using one little weft, cutting it in half, folding it in each little piece, once I got the rhythm of it, it just kind of like, I was in it. Again, it was fun. Honestly, I had so much fun putting them in. And like I said, that other method, like, it was just so much easier for me to do. So I'm just wondering how the hell I'm gonna take these things off. So I have to look for a remover. Obviously, we're not gonna take it off right now. Let's see how long it lasts. Also, if you guys notice, I did not put them up to my scalp. Now, one of the girls that I saw did say that, do not put it so close to your scalp, because when you tighten it, if you think about it, like if you tighten it, you're really gonna have a lot of pull at the roots of your hair. So I didn't want that. So I made sure, I know it may look crazy when you guys see it, but I made sure that I left a space in between where I placed it to my scalp. I didn't want it touching my scalp. I didn't want so much tightening. I wanted there to be a little wiggle room. If I don't go too crazy taking off, like if it doesn't drive me nuts, I may order the tape so that I can put the tape on by myself, because I think it's gonna be a process. But yeah, but other than that, honestly, I really like the hair, the color match. Don't stare at my hair when I'm in the sun, because you may see color differences. That's all I'm gonna say. I only got 2 packs of the extensions. Now, I would say that another pack would probably make my hair look so much like just nicer, a little bit of a better blend, but it is kind of heavy. If you guys noticed, I made sure not to go too high. So my last pieces are right here. I really wanted to make sure that the crown of my head, right here, the crown didn't have any tape-ins, and that's just because I wanted to, you know, be able to do this and to do that. That is why my extensions only come up to like right here. Wanted to make sure that this was clear of anything and that I could just have a more natural feel. I will say also that I did like the second technique, which is the one that I did all up here. More ability to run your fingers through your hair and actually be able to like feel your scalp. So yeah, again, this is not something I am encouraging you guys to do. It's not something I'm recommending you guys to do. I am just letting you guys know that I did it. It's doable. And if y'all are stubborn like me and you guys want to feel a little cuter with extensions, it's not impossible. That's all I'm saying. It's not impossible. I just wanted to talk about a wand. I've never used a wand, but I love how it looks. Like, I just like that it's not like what I like to call quinceañera curl. It's like a nice, pretty little wave. And I'm gonna tell you guys, these are so cute. So this is the brand. My friend actually recommended it to me because she had waves, and she told me about this brand, so I ordered it. And I think they always have specials. Like, they always have something going on, because originally I want to say this is like $50 or $60, but when I saw it, they were having like the Mother's Day sale or something. It was $39. Now, originally when I saw it, plus like taxes and shipping and stuff, it was gonna be like $55. And I'm like, no, like I don't really want to pay $55 for a wand. So I let a couple days go by. And then like when I went back in to check it out, because I just kept thinking about it, like I really wanted a wand. All of a sudden they were like, buy something and then you get a straightener free. So that's exactly what I did. So I got this little cute straightener, and they're all pink, so they're super girly. And I got this one, which I really needed a straightener anyway, so it was like perfect timing. I am gonna keep my other straightener though, because this one's kind of thin, but it's super cute. Like I think this is gonna be good, like if you want to do a curl with the straightener, because my straightener can't do that, it's way too thick. But I do really like this, especially to like do a little hair flip in the front. I think it would be so cute. So yeah, so I got these two, plus I wanted like something to be able to put this on top of, which I am an idiot because I was putting this on top. I think it's supposed to be like this black part goes right here when you lay it down. But anyways, I got this one too. So I think for all three things, I want to say I paid like $55 to $60 or something like that. But yeah, these are really cute, and like you can see it looks really nice. Like I really liked it. And I also used this to, like you guys saw, to kind of like seal the deal on the tape ins, because it will stick together. But I was seeing a lot of people just kind of put a little heat on it, and that's just to kind of melt the glues together and really, really, really make them stick. So I don't think these girls are gonna be budging. Okay, but yeah, and it's perfect because it's super small, and it's like enough little space right here where it's not gonna like, it didn't completely like touch my scalp or burn me. This was a long video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, you can ask, but I'm no pro. I will try my best, and all I can do is reference to how I did it and how it worked out for me. But yeah, I will update you guys on how they're doing, the maintenance on them, how they do when I shower, because I am curious about that, which I'm not going to be washing my hair often anyways. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Thank you.